Kitchen Genie.
My name is Royce, and I had a great opportunity working with the team of building My Kitchen Genie. My Kitchen Genie helps match your food with recipes. So some of the problems that I ran into is I go to my fridge, I don't know what to make. I'm tired of making the same meals, and I generally like waste food because I'm like trying to decide what I'm going to make, and I'm making the same things and not making anything new. So we're going to walk through a demo here and kind of go through a use case here. So, I'm at my fridge. I'm at my fridge, and I'm thinking, okay, let's see. I have a tomato. I have some chicken, and I have some onions. So, Jeannie, tell me what I can make. So, I grant my wish with the Genie, and I see that she's recommending braised chicken, and we're actually using Punchfork, which is an API that provides recipes. So braised chicken, okay, we see you have some tomatoes and olives, awesome. It looks pretty good, has 96% rating. So I'm gonna take a look at it, make the recipe, and I'm like, okay, I make the recipe, tastes good. Maybe I wanna go ahead and favorite this. So I favorite, and even better, we can share this information. So let's say we want to share this on through Twitter or through Facebook, or even email this information to people. And there you see it's in my favorites, so it's saved and ready for later use. So a big question that we had was, our market. A lot of people are opening their fridge with the same questions, with the same issues of wasting food and trying to figure out what they can do. Well, I think for our market, there's tons of people that are our market. So the first thing that I think is that we should approach. So let me step back. The first thing we can do is basically start organically. Start with your community. Get in your community and start talking to them at grocery stores, and just kind of tell them about this product. Go ahead. So our competitive edge. One thing that we saw about our competitors is that they were kind of doing things wrong. They weren't doing things the right way. So what we're doing is we go against what the user's behavior is. When you go to your fridge, you're not looking at the recipe. What you're doing is you're looking at what you can make with what you have. So I think that's the key advantage that we have. We're doing it in a reverse order, but in the way that the user usually thinks. Our marketing strategy. So we've had over 275 plus likes thanks to our problem team. We've had over 80 followers on Twitter. We had 153 surveys submitted, and so that's been good stuff. So the long-term strategy, we're looking at short-term. We're looking at social media, and also providing some data information to consumer brands. Revenue streams. So one of the things that we looked at is Amazon affiliate programs. So basically providing suggestions based off of Amazon for stuff that you can purchase and getting some referral information from that. We think that data is the new oil. So how can we capture information about our users? We can capture what they favorite, what they search for. We can capture what time they do it. And we kind of start providing some services that they may like and may want to purchase. So offering customer coupons, working with people that provide coupons and suggesting coupons based off what they search for. Suggesting meal plans. So, it would suck if you do every day you're trying to put food into your phone and say, okay, what can I make? We can automate that process for you and suggest meal plans. What was the last piece?
All right, thank you, kids.
Well done. So the search we saw really works.
Yes, it really works. And we're integrated with the Punchfork API. They have a lot of recipes out there. We use their basic, but we can get a lot more information if we started paying them. So.
Can I store like hard ingredients? So the spices I have, can I keep that all stored so it always knows what I got?
So you're not really storing it. You're basically just telling it like what items you currently have, and then it will provide you some recipes based off of what you currently have. So it's not really an inventory. It's more of a way for, I have this, what can I make?
I was just thinking about all the stuff in the spice rack. How do I say?
Yeah.
Without having to give it every time.
Yeah, we thought that would be really, a pain just to inventory everything.
Probably true.
So.
Any further questions, judges?
So future add-on could be You come back from your grocery shopping trip, you put in everything you have, and then you can get suggestions based on what you purchase.
Yes, you can. So you can get suggestions of recipes, and then you can just add those to your favorites to store it.
But again, I think it goes back with Mike's comment
Yeah.
that some level of storage
Right.
to make it more useful.
Did you research? It seems like I've seen this done already.
Yeah, there's a lot of
like
people.
recipes.com or whatever.
Yeah, there's a lot of people that do this. The problem that we saw that is just, you know, people will look at recipes and say, oh crap, I don't have 5 things that I need.
No, I mean the reverse recipe.
The reverse recipe?
Yeah.
So it's like saying, okay, we put some stuff in and then get recipes back.
Yeah.
We didn't see that happening. There wasn't really a person that was connecting the two between what you have and what recipes you can make with what you have. We didn't see that.
So how do you price the data? I mean, oil has a fair market price, data does not.
Yeah.
How would you price the data?
So I think the data is something that we collect, and we eventually try to provide some services that we can provide to our customers. So if they continue to use this app in the first 2 weeks, we can start learning about this information and start suggesting things. So it's kind of something to say, hey, by the way, we can offer this service to you based off the data you have. Now you can come into a payment and we can make money that way. So it's like a learning algorithm that can eventually be made.
All right, we have time for one more if you guys have them. All right, thank
I'm
you
good.
very much.